Turkey versus Israel. Two powerful militaries. But if war started tomorrow, who would actually win? Welcome to my channel. Two powerful militaries. One question. Who would win?
Turkey versus Israel is not a simple comparison. One is built for regional dominance. The other is built for survival through technology.
This is the real military comparison.
Turkey has strategic depth and space.
Geography protects large armies. Israel is small but heavily fortified. Every kilometer matters for Israel. Both countries control critical regional access routes. Turkey has one of NATO's largest armies. Hundreds of thousands serve actively. Israel depends on rapid reserve mobilization. In manpower, Turkey dominates. Air superiority decides modern wars. Israel operates advanced stealth fighters.
Turkey relies on upgraded F-16 fleets.
Electronic warfare changes the battlefield.
Here, Israel holds the advantage.
Turkey fields thousands of armored vehicles. Its land forces are built for scale.
Israel focuses on battlefield intelligence.
Protection systems increase survivability.
But geography limits direct land conflict. Turkey controls one of the region's strongest navies. Naval drones expand Turkish reach. Israel focuses on coastal strike defense. Submarines give Israel hidden power. But overall naval size favors Turkey. Turkey changed modern drone warfare. Affordable precision changed conflicts.
Israel pioneered UAV intelligence decades earlier. Smart drones redefine air dominance.
Both countries excel in this domain. Israel built one of the world's best defense shields. Ballistic threats can be stopped mid-flight. Layered defense multiplies survivability. Turkey continues expanding its systems.
But Israel leads in missile protection. Wars begin with information. Israel dominates cyber warfare. Precision depends on intelligence.
Turkey maintains strong regional intelligence.
But Israel operates at a higher tier.
Turkey's defense industry is growing rapidly. Domestic warship production increases independence.
Israel specializes in precision technology.
Sensors define modern combat. Both countries export weapons worldwide. One factor changes everything.
Israel is believed to possess nuclear weapons.
This reshapes any total war scenario. Turkey does not control its own nuclear arsenal. Deterrence prevents decisive victory. Long war favors Turkey. Long war favors Turkey. Technology shapes survival. Technology shapes survival. Escalation changes everything. In modern war, victory depends on scenario, not size.